show you how to make Windows 10 ISO image through media creation tool. Actually, we download this media creation tool from the Microsoft portal. So in my case, I have already downloaded media creation tool. Let me open that. So yeah, here I have the media creation tool which I have downloaded from the Microsoft portal. So I kept this in a C drive. In order to make the ISO image, we're supposed to click on this media creation tool. And to make the ISO image, your laptop should be connected to the network. Now here we have the applicable notice and license terms. So let's accept the license. Click next. Yeah, here. So after accepting the license, so we have got the two options. One says upgrade this PC now, and other one option is that create installation media. So we are creating the ISO image. Let's select the create installation media. Click next. Now need to select the language, architecture, and edition. It's already been selected. Language English, edition Windows 10. Architecture is 64-bit. Click next. So this is where we supposed to select the media to use it. So we have the two options over here: a USB flash drive and ISO image. So we want the ISO image. Let's select the ISO image. Click next. So when I click the ISO image, it has given me some pop-up. So it says the we need to select the location where we want to save our ISO image. So I'm saving my ISO image in a C type and giving the file name as Windows 10, and the save type is ISO file. Let's click on the save. Now you can see the downloading has been started. Now we see that downloading is in a progress. So the progress about 81%. Hope this will be finished soon. Now we can observe downloading is finished. So it will create the ISO image now. Yes, it's creating the Windows 10 media. Downloading has been finished. So now it's creating the ISO image file. Once it is created, we'll go to the location and we'll see whether the ISO image file is created or not. Yep, so creation has been finished. So this is the location where we have saved it. Let me click on the finish. Yes, here we have the Windows 10 ISO image. You can see the file type, go to the properties and see the file type of is ISO image. Click OK. Open the Windows 10. Okay, see. This is how we create the ISO image from the media creation tool. Thanks for watching my video.